Hello friends, welcome to the magical story time here at Reading with Spencer. Are you ready to embark on a journey with me? Let's dive into our story for today, which is Sun, Sea and Snow from the official annual 2015 Peppa Pig stories. If you have a copy, please get it and let's enjoy reading. Are you ready? Let's go. Today, Peppa and her family are going on a coach trip to the seaside. The weather forecast says it's going to be sunny. Peppa looks outside and sees that a lot of snow has fallen in the night. "Snow!" cries Peppa. "We are still going to the seaside, aren't we?" Peppa asks. "Well, let's see how much snow there is," chuckles Daddy Pig. He goes outside. Daddy Pig has vanished. Instead, a snowman walks in. "It's a walking snowman," cries Peppa. "I'm cold," shivers the snowman. "It's a walking, talking snowman," says Peppa. The snowman shakes itself. "Oh, it's just Daddy," says Peppa. Poor Daddy is freezing, so Mommy Pig, Peppa and George dry him by rubbing him with warm, fluffy towels. Peppa can't wait to go to the seaside. "I don't think the coach will be running today," Mommy Pig explains. Peppa feels sad until ding, ding! Miss Rabbit's coach arrives. It is full of Peppa's friends. The coach has a big snowplow at the front to push the snow out of the way. The coach passes Mr. Bull, greeting the roads. The grate melts all the snow away. Moo! "The road is clear all the way to the seaside," says Mr. Bull. "That's good. We are going to the seaside," says Miss Rabbit. "Would you like to come?" Mr. Bull is too busy to come to the seaside today. Everyone enjoys the journey. They sing a happy song. "We all going on a seaside holiday, sand castle swimming and sunny skies. We're all going on a seaside holiday, sea and sand and ice cream too." The coach has arrived at the seaside. Oh dear, the beach is covered in snow and the sea looks cold. "I was looking forward to having a swim," says Mommy Pig. "You still can," laughs Madame Gazelle, jumping in. "What are you waiting for?" Miss Rabbit remembers she's sprained her ankle and Mommy Sheep says she has a cough. So only Mommy Pig joins Madame Gazelle. "It always feels cold when you first get in," calls Miss Rabbit helpfully. "If you keep moving, you'll warm up," adds Mommy Sheep. Mommy Pig keeps moving, straight back to the shore. Peppa, George, and Daddy Pig dry her with warm, fluffy towels. "Are you going for a swim, Daddy Pig?" asks Mommy Pig. Maybe not today," says Daddy Pig. Who wants an ice cream? Calls Miss Rabbit. Everyone likes ice cream at the seaside, but Peppa wishes they could make sand castles too. Daddy Pig shows everyone how to make snow castles instead. I love the seaside, says Susie Sheep. And I love the snow, says Danny Dog. I love the seaside and the snow, laughs Peppa. And that's the end of our story for today. If you liked it, please subscribe and like as you wait for more coming stories. Please, 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 let's have 50% of you subscribing. Let's do subscribe and build this channel together. Be part of it as you enjoy the stories. Thank you so much for your time. Until next time, bye-bye. We're all going on a seaside holiday, sand castle swimming in sunny skies. We're all going on a seaside holiday, sea and sand and ice cream too. Bye-bye.